Hi, I'm Keith Allen, and I play Murphy on Z Nation, and I listen to One Up Gaming Podcast.
Hello, Andy. This is Colin. I won't be able to get in tonight. I'm sweating like a pig. 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 I'm sweating like...
Hello, David here. What Up Gaming? This is after the unboxing of the Antlion audio ModMic. So there's the USB version and the 3.5 jack version. So they're both almost identical. Microphone on a nice bendable steel arm with a magnetic clasp in the middle, and the USB one is a push button to mute, and the USB itself. Now this one actually comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter, which is pretty cool. So that is that one. Well, I say that. There's all the magnetic sort of like stickers and grips that you put onto the side of your headphones, and then you can attach the actual microphone itself directly to it. Now, as I say, we will do a quick audio test. So this is me talking with the Blue Snowball, and then this is me talking with the Antlion USB sort of like headphones. So this is just a sound quality check for the ModMic USB 2. Just holding the microphone to my face and see how this sounds. So now that is the audio quality, so you can tell me whether it's good or not. Now this is the 3.5mm version. So it's identical, apart from it's got a sliding mute button now instead of the push to mute button on the USB version. I don't know if it's just with the technology and the 3.5mm jack itself, but other than that they are both like the same, and it comes with the magnetic mounts and stuff that you stick to your headphones, and then it just magnetically connects. There you can see my fingers are knackered from work, so I all like blistered and cut and all sorts. Not nice. But anyway, less about me being an idiot. Thank you so much to Antlion Audio for the ModMic, for the Uni 2 and the USB 2. And yeah, they are absolutely amazing. If you've got nice headphones that don't have a microphone, buy this. It just connects and it works. It's amazing. David here, One Up Gaming. Goodbye.